Hello again, YouTube. It's Jerry with Sky Management here to answer one of the questions we had brought forth by one of our subscribers, Hot Mama. She asked, how is it I can make money quickly in this business? The long and short answer to that is there's not really a good, effective way to make money really quickly in real estate. Some people will argue, well, yes, you can. You can buy a house, flip it like they do on TV, and make $1 million. Well, you can if you're lucky. But more often than not, what will happen is you'll end up finding yourself underwater on a project because you run into a problem you hadn't foreseen. And especially if you're getting started in the business, it's not a good position you want to be in. So I would recommend to you that you do two things. One is start small. Buy a property that you're not going to get underwater in by putting down at least the 20% in it and buying a small project, maybe a single family home or a duplex or even a fourplex, which is a 4-unit property, and gives you your foot in the water as far as the rental game. The second thing I would recommend, if you have the possibility to do it, would be to obviously keep your full-time job on the side, but also to look at the possibility of even living in one of the units. This will allow you to keep your eyes on the project that you're working on. It also gives you several wonderful benefits with regards to managing the property and the fact that you can see everything that's going on there on a daily basis. And you also have more control over who rents there because you're actually living in one of your own units. It's your house. So you can control who lives there. You're a little more protected that way. If you are an absentee landlord that do not live at the property, or you have a larger property, there's a lot of federal and local and state regulations that you have to follow with regards to who rents there and how long and certain contracts and so forth. And not following that can land you in some hot water real fast. So those would be two things I would recommend doing to start off, again, and then keeping the properties for a while, letting them mature, letting them grow. Over time, your properties, if you keep them up, should be worth more money. And just due to appreciation and so forth in the economy, the properties would also be worth more money. You keep them up and fix them up and put investment back in the property, they'll be worth more money. And you're also paying them down, which will then make your total amount be worth more money. And you'll be surprised at how quickly that those 1, 2, 3, 4-unit projects that you slowly buy over the course of the next 10, 20 years will grow. And when it's time for retirement, you could be sitting on a gold mine. Hope this answers your question. If you have any further questions, please feel free to like and subscribe below and post them in our comments. We'll try to hit you up when we can. See you next time.